Alright, so this is a 2010 Buick Lucerne CXL with the 3.9 V6. So there's not a lot of videos online on how to work on this car at all. If anything, very solemnly. So I decided to take my take into this too. I know there's a video of thermostat being replaced, and then on top of that, temperature sensor, because this car does have a common issue. I forgot what the code was exactly. I'll just post it down here somewhere. But anyways, first thing you got to do to take your thermostat out is basically you got to take the alternator out. 2 bolts. I had to use the hammer a little bit to actually pull it out since it was really stuck in there. But before you do that, you will need to do the tensioner, and thankfully you can use a ratchet. Put your ratchet right there, pull the tension out, and there you go. Pull your alternator. There's 2 bolts holding it, and then you got your alternator charging cable from the battery. Make sure right now that you do disconnect your battery while you're working on this. You don't want everything to go sparky. And then there's a connector that comes from the PCM to tell your alternator to charge. Once you got that going, you need to come down here. There are going to be 2 bolts down here. So you're going to have a 10 and another 10 over here. The 10 on the right, you are going to need a long socket. So make sure you do have a long socket. Again, 10 mil. That will get your thermostat out. Hopefully that kind of helps out, clarify a little bit on the Buick 3.9.